we have, relational operators. Okay, operators that are used to know the relation between another operator. For example, if I say, so output of a relational operator is always a boolean, true or false. So what we can say is 5 equal to 3. So what it will return is false. Similarly, if we say 5, so we say 5 not equal to 3. This will give true. So this combination of exclamation and equal is used to check not equals. And this double equals is used to check equals. Okay. Similarly, we can have 5 greater than 3. This will again give true. 5 less than 3. This will give false. So it will always compare the left one with the right one. Okay. We can also say 5 greater than equal to 3. So it will be true because 5 is greater than 3, but if we do 5 greater than equal to 5, then it will be also true because 5 is equal to 5. So this one is greater or equal. Okay, so it is doing both the comparisons here. We also have similarly 5 less than equal to 3. So this will give false. But if we do 5 less than equal to 5, this will give true because still 5 is equal to 5. Okay,